ate's first words to you. Alam mo paano pag bunso since pareho kayo. When we learned about my school fees and we had to be in so much debt for it. No questions asked. Ang sabi mo lang, kaya natin yan. Magkasama naman tayo. May times that I see you exhausted. Tapos, iabot mo yung sweldo mo and wala na matitira. Kasi pambabayad natin lahat. Pero wala kang reklamo.
Just a minute in the moonlight, thought I saw you there, swear I saw you there.
Alala ko parang nag-message ako sa kanya. Ano lang, sa Facebook. Then yun, nagka-text na kami. Kasi kami no, nag-Airbnb kami. Side ko, side niya. Kasi hindi niya alam na nasa akin na yung sigsig. Tapos, ayun na.
Where can I go where you don't hide? Who am I if not seen through your eyes? Oh, when we moved, swallow me up in the dead of night. Feel you on my skin in the morning light. When you're falling from the sky.
Thank you. I love her. See you later. Husband. I love you. Wifey. Wow.
Trying to grab hold, got nothing left. Oh, but love, my dearest, turn instead. Wherever I go, you're falling from the sky.
Wow! As a vlogger.
As a content creator.
Yay! Good morning, love. Morning, love. I can't wait to see you later. I know, sobrang ganda mo. Wow! Use this gift to capture future memories. See you later. I love you, Jerry.
Ganda, ang daming ganda. Where can I go where you don't hide? Who am I if not seen through your eyes?
You know, three things I would like the two of you to remember today. Number one, remain with God. Riza, I can tell you that Jerick will be a faithful husband. Second, remain with one another. And the third, you remain with the community, always with humility and gratitude. Life is God's creation. It is always His plan. Risa, did you come here of your own free will to find yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Jerick, did you come here of your own free will to find yourself forever in the service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Prayed for a funny one. And a kind one. And a decade after, I'm still laughing at all your jokes.
Miss ko sa Emel Rosales. I remember when we were first met.
What?
Nakita kita nun sa SLR gym. Nanonood ka ng basketball. Then from there, doon ko na nakita yung mapapangasawa ko.
You trusted my pacing. Once we are decided, we set our minds on it. Kunwari, travels, puro travels lang. Work, puro work lang. And you are Wani, Abraham, you, Iya, and Lily's favorite tito. I love you. We are married now.
Thank you for always being kind to me, caring. Hindi mo ako iniiwan nung nagka-injury ako. Nung nawala si mama. Sobrang lungkot nun, pero di mo ako iniwan. Ang hirap, pero may times na nag-aaway tayo. Pero di pa rin tayo sumuko. Andun pa rin tayo. I promise that I will love you every day.
Congratulations on a very beautiful wedding. Everybody saw all the energy that you've put sa lahat, every detail. It's very you. Just put into heart the homily of Father. Remain in God, remain in each other. You've been, sabi nga kanina, you've known each other since high school. Jeric cares for my sister is really comforting for me.
Like a story, don't know where it'll go. Oh, but I see all that I need to know. It's standing right in front of me.
I know that my sister, the child I had when I was 7 years old, is in very good hands. And I believe what Father said, that you are gonna be a very faithful husband to my sister. Congratulations and best wishes, best and best.
Stars up overhead, to the sunlit sky. Oh, I know it's true.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Isa lang naman po ang hilingin ko. Ako na akong magsasalita, si Mrs. ano to eh. Nakaiyakan lang tayo. Isa lang po ang pakiusap. Patuloy lang po natin sanang pagdasal tong newlywed na sila'y manatiling, mananalig sa itaas, manatili sa pagmamahalan sa isa't isa, at saka sa komunidad na ginagalawan na nila ngayon, na nakita naman natin na welcoming ang komunidad sa kanilang pagsasama, ay patuloy lang po natin sanang araw-araw na ipagdasal ang kanilang pagsasama. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat ulit sa inyong lahat.